I'm in the middle of my training session right now, but I wanted to get to this question. Otherwise, it will get lost in the notifications. So what is BBP? It's a few things. Built by Plants is what it stands for, and it's my plant-based nutrition coaching company, where we help people lose fat, build muscle on a plant-based diet. But we also have a supplement company, BBP, where we sell different subs. So this is our vegan protein powder, the BBP vanilla ice cream flavor. We also have, for our chocolate lovers like me, chocolate frosting, all right? In addition to that, we have a few other things, a lot of other things. Pre-workout, this is the Wild Jungle Punch. It will get you lit, all right? We got the multivitamins right here. We also got what I call the nightcaps, and basically melatonin helps you get some great rest. So if you want to know where to find those, just go to builtbyplantsbrand.com or bbpsups.com, all right? bbpsupps.com. You can get access to all of our plant-based supplements. These are just a few down here that I have in my garage, getting my session in right now. All right, that's what BBP stands for, Built by Plants Nutrition Supplement Company, and also fitness coaching company to help you lose weight and build muscle.